just saw was footage from my brand new DJI drone that I got just a few months ago. The weather's been pretty bad in Pennsylvania, and I haven't had a chance to get it out very much. What I didn't show you yet was when I crashed my brand new DJI drone. It was an awful feeling. It could only be compared to being sucker punched or kicked in the nuts. It was horrible. So what happened was I took my drone out to get that beautiful footage you just saw and experienced a malfunction called a flyaway. What happens during a flyaway, you ask? It flew away. The drone was up in the air, I could see it, and then all of a sudden, it was gone. I lost the connection between the drone itself and the controller, and it flew away. It took off. It was barely a little speck. I could barely see it. And somehow, I was able to regain control of the drone, and I could at least turn the camera back towards where I was. At that point, I started flying the drone back towards me. Once I got it above me, I realized that it was banking to the left really hard. So I was having to counter steer to the right to keep it from crashing into trees. So as I was counter steering to the right and bringing it down for a safe landing, it banked left into the trees. It was awful. So I'm not flying my drone today because it is in a million pieces. When it banked left, whatever. When it veered to the left, it smashed the tree, resulting in a magnificent explosion of plastic. The SD card actually popped out of the camera. The camera and the gimbal detached completely from the drone. Walking around for about 2 minutes, I was actually able to find the SD card, a little micro SD card, in the grass. Lucky me. Lucky you. Now you get to enjoy my crash. So, here it is. Enjoy. Here's what it looks like now. It's a pretty ugly sight, I'm not gonna lie. This is not supposed to be like that. And right here, that's where this little guy's supposed to be. The camera. It's all beat up. Battery flew out of it. Wires are shredded. And this little poor guy's busted to hell. So I'm sending it all back. Well, there you have it. Busted ass drone. I'm gonna be sending it back today. Hopefully it's back in my hands in a few weeks and I can get it back up into the air.